What if I told you that your favorite smoky restaurant style tandoori snack can be made at home, that too without a tandoor, with barely any oil, and still taste insanely good? Plus, it's healthier, cheaper, and perfect even during the LPG crisis when gas cooking is not always reliable. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a super wholesome dinner, that is tandoori broccoli paired with baked sweet potatoes. It's high in fiber, packed with nutrients, and made entirely in the oven, which can also be made in air fryer or OTG. So no heavy gas usage is needed. Let's start with the broccoli. I have blanched the florets in hot water for a couple of minutes and then immediately transferred them into ice cold water. This step locks in that vibrant green color and keeps the broccoli crisp. Once that is done, I have laid them out on a towel to absorb all the extra moisture. This is super important. Now for the flavor bomb, let's make the marinade. In a bowl, I am adding hung curd, which gives creaminess and protein. Then goes in ginger garlic paste for that bold base flavor. Next, some roasted gram flour, besan. It helps bind everything and adds a nutty taste. I am also adding finely chopped coriander stems, then chili flakes, mixed herbs, a pinch of turmeric, and little bit of mustard oil for that authentic tandoori aroma, and just a little grated cheese for richness. Mix everything well and coat the broccoli evenly. Now let it sit for a few minutes so it absorbs all those spices. Now on to the sweet potatoes. I have peeled them and cut them in round slices. Not too thick, not too thin. For seasoning, I am keeping it simple: salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and little bit of oil. Toss everything together until well coated. Now it's time to bake. I have preheated the oven and placed both broccoli and sweet potato in two different trays. The reason being, broccoli goes in only for about 15 minutes because it cooks fast and gets slightly charred on the edges quickly. Whereas the sweet potatoes take a bit longer, around 25 to 30 minutes, until they're soft inside and slightly crispy outside. Now let's talk about why this meal is actually amazing. Broccoli, which is loaded with fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and it's great for immunity and gut health. The hung curd adds protein and probiotics, which are good for digestion. Also, sweet potatoes are complex carbs, they keep you full for longer. And the best part? The entire meal uses very little oil, making it perfect if you are trying to eat clean without sacrificing the taste. Also, with rising LPG prices and supply concerns in many parts of India, meals like this are smart alternatives. You can make everything in an oven or OTG or even in an air fryer. So saving gas while still enjoying a proper home cooked nutritious dinner. It's practical, budget friendly, and honestly just easier once you get used to it. In place of broccoli, you can actually use cauliflower or even paneer, capsicum, all those things also. And that's it. My tandoori broccoli and baked sweet potatoes are ready. I have served them with some fresh green chutney on the side and it adds that perfect tangy kick. This meal is simple, satisfying, and proof that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, and thank you for watching.